What's good, traders? Welcome to another video. Well, today I want us to get to have a conversation about having expectation when it comes to trading, because it's something that I've really struggled with for quite some time, around 2 years. And I'm sure so many traders, especially the upcoming ones, they must in one or another suffer from expectation, especially for those people who are looking to trade prop firms. This is something that gets to make them, you get to pass phase one, you struggle, you get to pass phase two, but once you get that master account, you don't even get the first payout. And I've been asking myself, why do so many people get to struggle with this? Myself, I've blown a couple of accounts once I get to pass phase one and phase two, but I don't get my first payout. And the reason I came to realize causes this is because of the expectation. So many people, they're very anxious of getting the first payout once they have been funded. And for this case, sometimes they tend to come into the market with already a number in their mind, that is in their mind, a number that they look forward in terms of payout. And for that case, they tend to expose themselves more into the market, or even at sometimes they get impatient. They don't get to hold to sit tight and wait for that setup to form. Of course, their A plus setup. So expectation is something that can get to hold you back for a very long time, as it did for me. But there are a couple of things that have really improved and changed over the years, and this is what I want us to get talk about, so that you don't get to spend so many years struggling with the same things that I already discovered. So first thing first, with the expectation, it results to trading with emotion. For instance, if I'm looking forward to, let's say, I'm looking forward to make some money, let's say by the end of the week, and I don't get that setup, maybe on that is on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. When it comes to Thursday and Friday, I might find myself feeling like I need to do something, like I'm missing out. And for this case, I may end up taking those low quality setups, which of course results to losses. And once you get to take that loss, you come to discover that it was a poor setup. Maybe you start creating illusions of setups that don't even exist in the chart. You find coming back to the chart with that revenge mentality. You want to recover back your money and make more. So for this case, you might even end up opening up more lot size, exposing a huge amount of your account, which should not happen. So it's very important that you get into the market, have zero expectation. The market, it is what it is. If it gives you the opportunity, you should be courageous enough to take that trade when it appears. But if there's no setup, you just walk away, because sometimes taking no trades is the best way for you to your profitability. For instance, I'll give you a scenario. Myself, I've been in the past, like a year ago, I used to take around 3 to 4 trades a day. In some cases, I used even to take around 10 trades in a week. Nowadays, that has changed, and nowadays I find myself taking 1 or 2 trades in a week. And from statistics, these have really improved my win rate to a level. Now I'm a funded trader. I've taken a couple of payouts from the account, and now I'm also reinvesting back with the same strategy, with the same mindset. Sometimes I do go through losing streak, like last month. That is the month of May. I took around 4 consecutive losses, but this didn't really affect my account in a big way, because I was in drawdown around 4%, which is easy to recover back whenever you are back to those winning streak. So it's very important that you get to understand trading. You can't force anything. You just need to accept. Sometimes you just come, you just operate like a machine. You don't have emotions. When the setup is not there, you just let it go. You just stay away from the charts. And of course, tomorrow you come back with the same mindset, looking for the exact A plus setup. If it's not there, you don't execute, and you let it be. So with coming to the market with expectation, this is where you find yourself. Apart from just becoming an emotional trader, you start focusing on the money aspect. Whenever the money thing gets into your mind, trust you me, you're prone to taking losses back to back, because whenever you get to take a loss, it feels like a person of failure. And you know what these results do. Of course, you go back to recover back the money, which is revenge trading. Sometimes you might open up a bigger lot size, which is you overtrade, breaking your risk management rule. And of course, at sometimes you even go to a point whereby you ignore your plan. You find yourself you're taking trades that you can't even explain, which is something that so many, especially beginner traders, they find themselves struggling. But over the years, and I guess this is the reason why it usually takes a long, long time for somebody to become profitable, because these are things that you can't be taught unless you get to take losses. You feel the pain. That's the only way you're going to. They're going to stick into your trading mindset. And of course, by the end of the day, you find yourself you identifying these mistakes before they even get to happen. Also, coming with expectation creates pressure. Trading should be as simple as possible, whereby you don't force anything. If the setup is not there, it's not there. And this is the reason why if you have been watching psychology videos, you have realized most profitable traders, they usually get to advise beginner traders to at least have some money set aside, some savings which can run you around 6 months to give your edge enough time for it to play out. So unlike whereby you get to come to the market, you want to make next month rent from those charts, trust you me, you'll start forcing things, and these results, of course, to more losses. More losses triggers that the emotional part of you, which results, guys, to you messing around, now losing focus in the charts, and by the end of the day, you even end up losing an account which you have really, really worked for a very, very long time, which is very, very important that you get to come into the market with zero expectation. Now, of course, guys, the last thing whereby we'll be talking about when it comes to expectation, it's important to understand that the market doesn't owe you anything. So, in case you take a loss, that's it. Let go. And of course, tomorrow or next week, come back with a clear mindset, with a different attitude, and of course, with the same trading strategy. And over the years, over the a period of time, a number of trades, if you have a profitable edge, you know by the end of the day, it's going to play out, and of course, you're going to get money from these charts. So this is something that I've learned over the years. Hopefully, you also get to execute the same. And trust in me, the sooner you get to do this, the sooner you'll get or become profitable. That's it for today, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. If you are a trader out there, you're looking for a channel whereby we get to talk about the real struggle of trading, this is it. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, as well as talk to me in the comment section. I do love hearing from you. Peace, guys, for now.